When we write an argumentative essay, we try to express our opinion towards a specific topic without ignoring the other's viewpoint or being indifferent to it. When we write, we need to be objective and we need to give a comprehensive overview of the topic. An introduction of a 12-line argumentative essay shouldn't exceed 2 lines. Let's learn how to write an introduction to an argumentative essay of 12 lines. So first we start by the other's point of view and then we mention our opinion. Let's start. We write, few persons believe that plus the other's opinion. However, in this essay, I argue that plus my opinion. I want to draw your attention to some important details. Instead of using a few persons, we can also use a few people, some people, or the minority of people. Moreover, instead of I believe or argue, I can use I see, I think, and many other verbs. It's very important to use a variety of lexical items. Another important detail is that you have to pay attention to the layout of your essay. Is it an article, a speech, a letter? Please pay attention to these details. They are very important. If you have any question, please let me know.